How to clone a machine in VirtualBox. Well, welcome everyone to my channel. Today we are going to do a quick tutorial on how to clone a virtual machine. In this case, we are going to clone this machine. I have it's called Hermes01, a virtual machine running Ubuntu server, and the operating system is freshly installed. It has nothing on it, so I want to clone it to use it later and not have to reinstall the operating system again. First, select the machine. The machine must be turned off, and we'll right-click. The clone option doesn't appear here. To make it appear, we need to do the following. Go to Settings, go to Export, and click OK. That's all you need to do. Select our machine again. Remember to turn it off first. Right-click, and now we have the clone option. Click on the clone option, and this menu will appear. Here we'll simply give it whatever name you want. I'll name it Hermes01 Clone. Click Finish and wait for the process to complete. When this fills up, the machine will be copied or cloned. And here we have the cloned machine. If we start it, we'll see that everything starts normally. Well, that's all. Thanks for watching and see you next time.